Hello guys and welcome back. So in today's new episode we are just going to prepare our floor for tiling. In this case I'm just going to use some cement board, more precise some HardieBaker, and is this board right here. I already started. I've done one hole over there for my pipes, and yes, we are going to carry on step by step and let you know exactly how am I preparing the floor for tiling with this type of board. Of course, if you can, it's always best if you have bad floorboards, just make sure that everything is nailed, or you could just take them out and use some marine ply. That is the best, and just after you can use a system like that. But in this case I'm just going to put it on the existing floor. It's all nailed down and it's not moving, and I think it's going to do the job. So I'm just going to install the cement board now on. So let's start. Now, before starting, try to clean as much as you can. You don't want to have any debris at the back of the board. Now, as you can see, this is the back of the board, and this is going to be the front of the board. So as you can see here, this ring here, it's made for your screw to go, and you have that all around the board. So you have this recess here, and that is going to be very easy for you to put the correct number of screws. I have my screws here, general purpose screws, and it's 3.5 mil by 25 mil, and I'm just going to use these, and by using that I'm going to be sure that I'm not going to hit any pipes because they are quite small. Okay. So let's start with our first board. So first I'm just going to lay them like that, just to see if everything is going to go nice and hug, nice and tight, and just after I'm going to screw them on. First I will just have to make sure that everything is going to go properly on. Alright, so Now we have to do a small cut over there, and I'm just going to use this tool here. It's from HardieBaker Score and Snap knife. And I'm going to get some help from my plumbing tool here. Now, not the cleanest cut, but it's definitely going to do the job. Now, if you don't clean the floor properly and you are going to leave debris at the back, you might risk to snap the board while you are going to walk on top of your HardieBaker. So that's why you have to make sure that it's nice and clean. You don't want for the board to be snapped before you are going to start tiling. Okay guys, so at this point all of our boards are in. Everything is installed. I had the problem on this one it just snapped, but that is not a big deal. Now small gaps like that, you can cut some small strips and put them, or just put some tile adhesive when you are going to go around with the tiling. So when I'm going to start with the tiling, I'm just going to fill everything with some adhesive. Now at this point I will just have to screw everything in. I'm happy with all the boards. They are sitting properly. There is no movement, and it should be everything okay. So at this point I'm just going to take my screws and start screwing. It's going to be loads of them, and it's going to take a while. That's why we need to go on time lapse. And battery dead. Oh well, I think we are done. That was a lot of screwing, and more precise, 200 screws went in this small area. Okay, and I think with all that we are done, and that's how I'm usually preparing the floor for tiling. But yeah, as you can see, everything it was done, everything ready. Now we have a nice surface for the tiling to go on, and I really hope that this video helped you a little bit, or is going to help you a little bit. If is that the case, don't forget to give us a like, and of course, see you in the next one.